Start.
Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you the important blood vessels of the heart. First, origin of coronary arteries. The coronary arteries arises from the aortic sinuses. There are three aortic sinuses. This is the anterior aortic sinus, this is the left posterior aortic sinus, this is the right posterior aortic sinus. The anterior coronary artery arises from the anterior aortic sinus. Right coronary artery arises from the anterior aortic sinus. Left coronary artery arises from the left posterior aortic sinus.
Start.
First, right coronary artery. You can see this is the right coronary artery which arises from the right anterior aortic sinus. First, after origin, it first run between the it first run in the right anterior coronary sulcus. This is the right anterior coronary sulcus. Okay, at the level of inferior border of the heart, it gives marginal branch. You can see this is the marginal branch of the right coronary artery, which gives at the level of inferior border. It crosses the inferior border and then goes posteriorly in the right posterior coronary sulcus. So after running in the right anterior coronary sulcus, it crosses the inferior border of the heart and then run in the right posterior coronary sulcus. It then ends at the level of posterior interventricular sulcus by anastomosing with the left coronary artery. Now coming to the left coronary artery, you can see this is the left coronary artery which arises from the left posterior aortic sinus. After origin, uh, the main uh, trunk of left coronary artery, it is very short. Immediately it divides into two main branches, the anterior interventricular artery and the circumflex left circumflex artery. The anterior interventricular artery, it is considered as a branch of left coronary artery. It first run in the anterior interventricular groove. You can see this artery. It runs in the anterior interventricular groove. Then it crosses the inferior border of the heart, goes posteriorly in the posterior interventricular groove, and anastomose with the posterior interventricular artery. This is the circumflex coronary artery, which is considered as the continuation of the left coronary artery. It first run in the left anterior coronary sulcus. At the level of left border, it gives a diagonal branch first, then it runs in the left posterior coronary sulcus. At this level, it gives several diaphragmatic branches. Then it ends by anastomosing with the left posterior. Then it ends by anastomosing with the right coronary artery.
Start.
In the important blood vessel situated in the left posterior coronary sulcus is the coronary sinus, which is the largest vein of the heart. This coronary sinus, you can see, this is the opening of coronary sinus in the right atrium, which is situated between the opening of inferior vena cava and opening of tricuspid valve. You can see here I have inserted a probe into the opening of coronary sinus through the right atrium, and you can see this is the coronary sinus, okay, which is situated in the left posterior coronary sulcus.